So this is a tutorial on how to create a notched gear. We're starting off with a cylinder, which we can select from our primitive list. And at this point, we can scale the width or the height, which will bring down to something similar to what we want. Then we're going to validate that. And we really should be subdividing this more. So I usually go with 4 levels. So that's good. Choose a top view. Go back to our scenes and we see the cylinder. We need to make a copy by pressing here. And now we have 2 identical objects. The one that's selected is the copy that I just made. We're going to go with the Gizmo tool. This outer ring gives us our equal scaling. So we'll bring that down a little bit. We'll go to a side view, and again that same inner second disc we're going to scale up so it protrudes top and bottom. Go back to our top view and select both objects. We want to eliminate the center object, so this is a Boolean procedure, so we just hide the inner disc. We'll choose a resolution somewhere around there, and we choose voxel merge. That will subtract the material from the center. Go back to a side view and let's scale it for thickness. And I noticed that the edges of the disc are a little round. I could have then, before I subdivided it, maybe I'll do that now, just choose flat subdivision. And we'll go 1, 2. Yeah, so that's going to bring our vertex count up too high, but I think that's better. Gives us a cleaner product in the end. Double tap on the cube to basically, it gives us a snap to view. And we go to symmetry and turn off the planes. X is always the default. And I know from previous experience that Y is what I want. I'll choose 12. Oh, that slipped on me. 1, 2. There we go. Then we'll choose the trim tool and we'll come over here to polygon, which will give us a 3-point object, and that's it. So we have to then insert another point, and by clicking again on these white, you get straight lines, which is what we want. And for a cog, I think maybe if we bring the center in, it gives us a bit of an angle. I'm not going to spend too much time on making that perfect. You get the idea. We hit the green button, and we should have 12 notches. It's a fairly high resolution, so it's taking a while for the processor to do the work. longer than I anticipated. So there's our cogged wheel. I'm not real happy with, you can see some of these notches are soft. I'm not sure what happened there. Let's go back. And I think also we will take our multi-resolution back and take a look at it here. I think that's going to take less time to process. So we'll choose our polygon again. We'll go here, whoops, here, here, all right. I have a feeling this is going to give us a similar result, but we'll try it. So we hit the green button, and that is better. So I think that's enough. You can work on that further and get it exactly how you want. Less notches, more notches, square notches, and that's it for now. Enjoy your sculpting.